You are going to love the 2020 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.